Hi, I'm Celine, a product manager at NI, here to demonstrate our new IVN 8563 10BASE-T1S media converter, which uses an on-semi-PHY to convert from standard 100 megabit Ethernet to 10BASE-T1S Automotive Ethernet. As you may know, 10BASE-T1S is a new 10 megabit Automotive Ethernet standard, which has three cool features. The first is that it's multi-drop, so you can connect multiple devices to the same single twisted pair bus without any switches or hubs, as we have demonstrated here. It can also carry power to those devices. The second is physical layer collision avoidance, or PLCA, which facilitates very efficient use of the 10 megabit per second bandwidth. And then the third is that it allows faster communication than CAN FD. Because of this, many believe that 10BASE-T1S is the missing piece needed to enable Ethernet to the edge connectivity in zonal vehicle architectures, as it's really well positioned to replace the legacy CAN, LIN, or FlexRay that's currently used for that edge sensor to actuator connections. In this demo, we're simulating a small portion of what this multi-drop network can look like. Okay, so I'll go ahead and run my VI. And this is just to clear the old error file. And then if I click into the sub-VI, I can see data being transmitted, which is all good and well. Everything's connected. It's working as it should. What I'm going to demonstrate now is that if I interrupt the network by unplugging one of the devices or disconnecting one of the devices, then we're going to see a timeout error between two of the devices, but then the other device is not going to have an error because it's not affected by that. So I'll unplug this. And then we've got a 10-second timeout here, which we should see on A, which is the interface between these two, and B should be fine. So there we go, timeout on A, that stopped my VI, and then B is unaffected. When we pair the interface device with the PXIe 8623 module, as we have here, which is a 100 megabit base T automotive Ethernet module, you get all the networking capabilities that the XNet API has to offer, which I'm using here, which includes database support with the Vehicle Communication Toolkit, and the PXI module can act as an endpoint emulating an ECU or doing REST bus simulation. So as you can see from the demo, each media converter can be configured as a coordinator or follower and placed in point-to-point or multi-drop mode. To do this configuration, you don't need a driver. We actually just use a USB cable, plug it in directly to the interface device, and access the configuration file there. And that's it. Thanks for watching.